Hey guys, what's up? I finally have some time today to make a video because we've just moved into a new apartment, so this is my new room. And a lot of people have been asking me how I get my brows done, like random strangers that I meet in the streets or like the toast box lady at the counter. She's like, "Oh my god, your brows are so nice. Where'd you get them done? It's embroidered or whatever." And so I decided to do this video to show you how I do my everyday brow, and it's really simple, and the only product I use is this eyebrow pencil from Rimmel right here. So it's a pencil where you just have to sharpen it whenever it gets blunt and whenever you need some fresh product at the end. And it also comes with a really nice spooling brush here to help you to blend the color. So I'm just gonna go ahead and show you how I do my brows every day without fail. So the first thing you want to make sure is that your brows have been first and foremost groomed and shaped nicely by a professional. So this gives you an idea of the kind of shape that you're going to draw on when you do your brows every day. So this is generally what my shape looks like. Okay, I'm gonna start. Whenever I start to draw on my brows, I don't ever start from the beginning because it's going to make it super dark and intense, and I want a nice soft gradient towards the center as I move towards the center. So I'm gonna start somewhere around here, okay? And then I just like gently go in strokes like this. So I draw kind of like the outline that I want to see first, and then I gradually just fill it in the middle. Okay, so I have like a general shape that I want on my brow. So I'm just gonna go ahead next to use the spooling brush, the brush at the end, to just kind of like blend the color out so it looks more natural. And when I get to nearer to the inside of my brow, I go in an upwards motion so that it follows the direction of the growth of my brow hairs. Ta-da! There you have it. Really simple to do eyebrow for every day. So now I'm going to do the other eye as well. Now, once I'm done with both brows, I take a straight brush. You could use any tool you have that's basically straight anyway. And what I do is I just make sure that the brows start from the same point for both of them. So what I do is I just align it like that from the end of my nose to the end of my eye, and it's got to align in a straight line. So that's the one for the left, and that's the one for the right, and both seem pretty good. So that's all you really have to do for your everyday brow routine. So thanks for watching this really quick video, and I hope to see you in the next one really soon. I hope to have some time to make another beauty tutorial that's really easy to follow. And so if you want to know more, just subscribe to my channel or follow me on Instagram and Facebook, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!